Hi friends, today I am going to plant coriander seeds. Hi friends, I planted coriander seeds a week ago and I poured water to them every day. It also rained frequently. Now we'll see how the seeds grow. Now that I showed you how the plants grow, I'll show you it again next week. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Hi friends, last week I showed you how the coriander seeds grow. Now I'm going to show you how they grow now. Finally, next week I'll show you how the coriander seeds grow. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Hi friends, after 3 weeks of planting coriander seeds, see how they grow. So friends, this is the final part of the coriander plants. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.